How do businesses order goods or services quickly and accurately? Today, we're talking about the EDI 850, what it is, how it works, and how it can transform the ordering process for businesses. The EDI 850 is an electronic version of a purchase order, which is a document sent from a buyer to a supplier detailing the products or services they want to purchase. It includes important information like product descriptions, quantities, agreed-upon prices, delivery dates, and shipping details. By replacing paper-based orders with electronic ones, the EDI 850 speeds up the entire purchasing process. So how does it work? The buyer generates the EDI 850 purchase order in their system and sends it electronically to the supplier through an EDI network. Once the supplier receives the EDI 850, they can confirm the order and begin preparing the shipment. The whole process happens digitally, which means no paper and no manual input. This ensures that the supplier has all the correct information right from the start, reducing the chance of errors or miscommunication. Now, let's look at the key benefits of using EDI 850. 1. Speed and efficiency. Electronic purchase orders reach the supplier instantly, speeding up the procurement process and cutting down on delays. 2. Reduced errors. By automating the data entry, it reduces human errors that can happen with manual orders, ensuring a more accurate delivery process. 3. Cost savings. Switching to EDI eliminates the need for paper, printing, and mailing costs, which saves time and money. 4. Better communication. All the details about the order, such as quantities, pricing, and delivery, are clearly communicated, ensuring both buyer and supplier are on the same page. Ultimately, the EDI 850 makes the purchasing process faster, more accurate, and more efficient. That's all regarding the EDI 850 and why it's a powerful tool for streamlining the supply chain. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into EDI. Thanks for watching.